Gusto kong umiyak. Maybe when I say my farewell, if I get to live on the last day of my term, I'd like to say something and maybe I'll cry. Gusto kong umiyak dahil hindi ko maanong taong binigay nila ng pagmamahal sa akin. Totoo lang. 20 years is...
Grabe yan, Mayor.
Balang araw, bababa rin ako dito sa pwesto ko. Balang araw, mamamatay ako. Makakalimutan rin ako ninyo. But let me leave you a message that is very important and could spell the difference between progress and development and maybe a failed country in the end if we do nothing. If we do not have peace and order, and if we cannot stop corruption, this government, our country, will never develop. The Bible says, there is a time to be great. Kagaya ko, presidente ako ngayon. I do not know why. But there will always be a time that I will be nobody. And that is sure to come. And maybe to die thereafter. There is always a time for plenty. But there is always a time for one. There is always time to be merry, happy, and a time to be sad. A time to be healthy, strong, kung bata ka pa. But as sure as the sun will rise in the east, we will get old and get weak and sick. There's a time to feast, but it's time to want. A time to be spending, may pera ka, but sometimes may problema. And a time for war, and a time for peace. And a time to be born, and a time to die. And a time to die.
Gusto mo rin ba kumita ng malaki sa GCash mo? Mag-register ka na at mag-cash in para makapaglaro. Nasa comment section ang link. Tuplo ka.